I'm a future criminal barrister and I'm going to explain what's going on with Lucy Letby's case. Lucy Letby's legal team have made an application to the CCRC, the Criminal Cases Review Commission, to review her case. These kind of applications are made when all other avenues have been exhausted, for example, all possible appeals to the Court of Appeal. This application has been made on the basis of fresh evidence. At the original trial of Lucy Letby, the prosecution's case was made up mainly of circumstantial evidence held together by expert evidence on air embolisms. An air embolism is essentially the entry of air bubbles into the vascular system, which can then cause blockages, often fatal in young patients. This new evidence primarily comes from Dr. Lee, who co-authored the original report on air embolism. Dr. Lee, alongside 13 other neonatal experts, have got together and compiled an independent evidence-based report suggesting that the murders of the babies were not so. Supposedly, this report provides highly detailed grounds baby by baby why the murders did not occur. As this report wasn't available for the original trial, it can be classed as fresh evidence and the justices may allow it in on that basis. If the CCRC do refer Lucy Letby's case back to the Court of Appeal, the question for the justices will not be whether Lucy Letby is innocent, it will be whether Lucy Letby's conviction is now unsafe in light of that fresh evidence. There is no set legal definition of the word unsafe. However, if there is fresh evidence which majorly changes the case against someone as the jury would have heard it, then it's quite likely it would lead to a conviction being quashed. If the conviction is quashed, the Court of Appeal then would have to decide whether or not to order a retrial. This adds a layer of complication due to the publicity of Lucy Letby's case. As defence counsel, you would certainly be arguing that it would be difficult, if not impossible, to find an impartial juror, considering she was plastered all over the news.